Hi friends, good morning. My name is Ajit and I'm from Vizag. So yesterday we have installed the Ubuntu software in our system, Windows systems, right? So today in this video we will learn about what is the difference between Linux and Windows, and we will get into the Linux software and we will see some softwares how it will work. So let us get into the video. So I have prepared some points. Let us read these points. So the first point is Windows versus Linux. Windows is like buying a car from a dealership. You pay for it and get customer service. But Linux is like building your own car. It's free and you can customize it. So I hope you understand. So Windows is like a buying a car from dealership, like one who prepared Windows and we are buying it. That's it. And we pay for it and get a customer service. So for Windows, we have to pay some amount, right? And we have to like if we have any problem, we will get customer support from Windows. But Linux is like a building your own car. Like you can customize the Linux. It's free and you can customize it. So the Linux is the like it's more flexible. And second point, open versus closed. Think of Linux as a recipe. Think of Linux as a recipe that everyone can read and change. Windows is like a secret recipe that only the restaurant knows, which means Linux is a recipe. Like Linux, you can know everything. You can research on books, you can change and you can read it. But Windows is not like a recipe. Like Windows is a secure. Not secure. Windows is like a built by another person. So you cannot see and you cannot modify anything. But Linux is open and you can change and uh, change according to your flexibility. The cost. Linux is free, like getting water from a stream. So Linux is free, like getting water from a stream. Windows costs money, like buying a bottle of water. I hope you understand. Linux is free, like getting water from the stream, but Windows costs money, like buying a bottle of water. The cost is the most important thing. File names. In Linux, photo and photo are two different pictures. So I had told you earlier, Linux has in the case sensitive, like capital P photo and small p photo are two different types, like two different pictures. In Windows, they are same. So it's proving that Linux is so like I'm saying is the photo and photo is different in Linux, which means Linux is more secure. I hope you understand. So next point, updates. Linux is like a toy that doesn't need new batteries often. So which means Linux is a software, like it doesn't need updates. Windows might need new batteries for each toy update, which means Linux will not ask the updates frequently, but it is more secure. Windows might need new battery for each toy update. Why? Because Windows used by everyone. That is the key. I hope you understand. So using commands, Linux uses more typed commands, kind of like texting. So we have lots of commands. We have learned about the A series commands in the previous videos. So Windows uses more clicking, like using emojis and all those things. But Linux uses more typed commands. So I will tell about commands. Uh, so whenever we get into the software, I will tell the important softwares which are present in the Windows software, and I will uh, tell you how to execute those commands in the terminal. And Linux and next point is security. Linux is like a house in a safe neighborhood. So I hope you understand. Linux is a secure. it's less likely to get broken into, which means hacking is not possible. Windows is more like a house that's in a good security systems. Windows is hackable. So that's why Windows needs a good security system. Like you have to install the antivirus softwares like Mac. Uh, we have different types of Avasta. We have, right? So Linux is a safe. So Windows is like a big toy store with a lot of games. So Windows is like a big toy store with a lot of games. Linux has games too, but not as many. So Linux has so many features. When compared to the Linux, Windows has a Linux feature, but not as many. But Linux has games too. Linux has less features in that sense, gaming sense. Helping out. If you have a problem with Linux, it's like asking a community for help. With Windows, you ask the company for help. So in the Linux, you will have the community, like you have a group of people. You can ask them, here we are having some problem in Linux. Can you help you out? They will help you out. But Windows, you have to directly ask for the company for help. Who uses Linux? Is the last important point. Who uses Linux? Linux often used by the computer experts like me or people like to thinker. Windows is used by a lot of people for work, school, and play. So Linux is for computer experts. So I hope you understand. And so if you think this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please ring the bell icon and then only you'll get the notification or otherwise you will not get the notification. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.